All right, we have a big breaking news coming in. This is the first Aam Aadmi Party reaction to the entire controversy around the celebrations by the Aam Aadmi Party. So now opposition, remember, is already the BJP there in Delhi, which is the opposition in the national capital, is already attacking the Aam Aadmi Party government and party over defying its own cracker ban. Aam Aadmi Party has responded. We have a reaction coming in of Aam Aadmi Party. Sanjay Singh, listen in.
अरे ये ऐसी पार्टी है, कभी आलू पूड़ी, कभी मिठाई, कभी कोई मुद्दा लेके आ जाते हैं। ठीक है ना। अभी जो मुद्दे की बात है वो है दिल्ली के लोगों के लिए जो हमारी योजनाएं हैं उसको ज़मीन पे लागू करना। उसको केजरीवाल जी के आने के बाद संगठन का भी काम और सरकार का भी काम अच्छे ढंग से चलेगा।
All right, Tejashree joining us live on the broadcast. Tejashree, we heard the first Aam Aadmi Party reaction. Aam Aadmi Party basically dismissing the entire controversy, saying that it's the BJP which is making a mountain out of a molehill. Take us through the objections which the BJP has, raised to the type of celebration which the AAP cadre indulged in, and the AAP's response, really the dismissive response coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party side.
Absolutely, this was the first response coming in from Aam Aadmi Party senior leader Sanjay Singh, who did not give a clear-cut answer so as to what the allegations have been levelled up by the BJP. And in fact, they were not only just mere allegations, but we in fact ourselves saw that how the celebrations were made, the crackers were busted outside the Tihar jail as well, and then next at the residence of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. And in fact, it was their minister Gopal Rai himself who imposed ban on the firecrackers the year 2025, January 2025, and then yesterday we saw the kind of celebration that took place. It was completely opposite to what was said, to what was announced, and so as to what action we saw or what the kind of celebration we saw on ground. However, now BJP is completely attacking on Aam Aadmi Party, calling them so as to what they say and what they do is completely opposite and exposing their lies. But yes, Aam Aadmi Party, we saw their response. In fact, they slightly attacked the BJP, and in fact, they did not give a strong reaction so as to what next, or in fact, they did not even deny the fact that they were in opposite to their reaction.
Party obviously brushing aside the question, not giving a direct answer, saying that it's a non-controversy politics and a face-off and slugfest around the celebrations. A cracker ban which has been defied by the Aam Aadmi Party cadre themselves continues.